Hello everyone, this program is called Email Slicer and we are going to do it in Python. So in this program, the task is we are going to get the username and domain name from the given email ID, okay? So this program is actually used in the scenario like in the registration form. So where we are getting the email and password from the user, and from that email ID, we separate the username and domain name and we store that unique username in our database, okay? So that in the future, if someone type the same username, then it will show some message, okay? So in this type of scenario, we use this kind of program, okay? So let's go ahead and let's make the email variable to get the input from the user. Okay, so here we are going to use a strip function directly to remove any white space in the email given by the user. Okay, now after this, we are going to make a username variable to store the username only. And for that, we are going to use the slicing operator. Okay, so email, and this is the slicing operator, double colon, and then email dot, and we are going to use index function. And here we will pass @ symbol. Okay, so what is happening here is we are using the slicing operator and index function. Now the index function searched here for @ symbol and return its index number. Okay, so let's say if the email is abc@flowindata.com. So here it will interpret it as email colon 3. So 3 is the index number of @ symbol. Okay, so now it will keep the part before index 3 and discard the rest. So we will get only username and we assign it to username variable. Okay, now similarly we will do the same process for domain. So domain variable equals to, okay, so now this will just keep the domain and it will assign to this domain variable. Now we are going to print out the username and domain. So here we are using f-string and we can directly pass variable in this string. Okay, so your username is username and domain name is domain. Let's see the result. Now you can see here, enter your email. Let's give abc @ so your username is abc and domain is flowindata.com. Thank you.